Hi everyone. I would actually like to explain what exactly is net neutrality because all these posts, all the replies to my post and everything, I think typing down hardly anyone reads, and I don't think things are actually comprehended in the way that they should be. So let me just drill down what exactly is net neutrality. What does net neutrality mean? But net neutrality means that whatever packets I have, for example, I have A packet, I have B packet, and I have C packet. These three packets should be treated equally. All should be treated equally by my operator, despite whether this A carries voice, B carries video, C carries some XYZ data. So based on what they carry, the packet should not be differentiated. As soon as they are differentiated on the basis of what they are carrying, it is a violation of net neutrality. But what I don't know how many people have actually read the consultation paper of the try. Nowhere in the paper it is explained that it will be treating all these packets differently. Fine. Now let me just come back how the network actually helps. For example, this is a user. This is your tower which radiates, and this is the network, and this is the internet, right? So all the packets go from the tower through the network into the internet. Now all these are packets. For example, there's a Facebook packet, there's a YouTube packet, there's a WhatsApp, there's a Twitter packet. So all these will go through the network and then reach the internet. And net neutrality says when all these packets go through the network and to the internet, it means all these packets should be treated equally on the basis of a parameter known as QoS. QoS means quality of service. So quality of service means what speed, what bandwidth are you getting? It should be the same and it should not vary. Now coming to the point where you all are saying that whatever try is being trying to formulate in its consultation paper, if this is implemented, then all the violations will start happening. Currently, you are having one pack. For example, let's say this is 250 rupees 1 GB pack 3G, right? You This is in the network. So you being a user, whatever you try to access over the internet is via this. So whatever you consume is via this, right? Now, when you consume everything, so the data 1 GB from this starts getting deducted, and you have, suppose whatever you consume, irrespective, you consume Facebook, you consume YouTube, you consume Twitter, it drills down from 1000 MB to 900 MB to 500 MB and so on till it diminishes and your quota exhausts. Your quota exhaust. Now since your quota exhausts, you again go for a recharge. Right now there are various peoples who use various services. Like you may be using YouTube. My dad only uses WhatsApp, he does not use anything else. Someone else might be a Facebook fanatic. So doing a 250 recharge, getting only 1 GB in that, and every time spending that 1 GB for Facebook, and then again doing a 250 rupees recharge and spending that 1 GB on the Facebook, would make more sense, or would it make more sense that you give 50 rupees to the operator, get unlimited facebook get unlimited Facebook, at the same time you have this particular pack already available. So what do you do is 250 rupees, already 1 GB plus 50 rupees Facebook exclusively. So what? Now you have 300 rupees you are paid, and this 300 rupees is not pushed down your throat. This 300 rupees is up to you. You can either survive on this. You need not pay this additional 50. Now, how many of you people actually do use YouTube using your mobile data? How many of you do that? No, I don't think anyone, because you use YouTube for 1 hour on HD video, it would consume around 400 of megabytes. So you having 1 GB, you would consume it like in what, 3 hours? 3 hours, your 1 GB is gone. That's finished. So if an operator is coming with something, so at this rate, if you're actually trying to do this, so if you are a very YouTube fanatic, so you would be actually spending 250 plus 250 plus 250. I don't know. Yeah, every day, if you keep expending maybe 2,500 rupees for 10 times 1G pack, 1 GB pack. So you'll be spending. So is this smartness, or the smartness is, if you have, now if you have a YouTube pack where you pay 100 rupees and you get unlimited access. When you get unlimited access, so I just pay 250 rupees plus 100 rupees, and in 350 I get to use whole internet plus YouTube as much as I want. So all the websites, like even if it is a startup or Snapdeal or any other website, or let's say any other video website. I don't know which other video. Suppose video on Facebook. So all these things you can still access with this internet. For YouTube specifically, because you suck on YouTube so much, so this exclusive pack is already given to you. So this is up to you, that you pay this 350 rupees a month. When you pay this 350 rupees a month, you get to use all this internet. Now you all might debate that using this if this law is implemented, whatever Try is trying to say, if this law is implemented, then the operator will block, for example, a person who does not use YouTube that much. So when he buys the 250 rupees pack, so in the internet, in the 250 rupees internet, he will have everything but not YouTube. YouTube will not be available for him. Now this is a violation. This is a violation of net neutrality, because once you're providing internet pack, once you say that I am providing you an internet pack, so once you say I have provided an internet pack, so it means everything on internet is available. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot block YouTube specifically because an operator has cut a deal. You cannot block Facebook on this 250 rupees pack, right? You cannot block this and say, boss, because I have other packs, I have 100 rupees YouTube pack, 5 rupees Facebook pack, 10 rupees WhatsApp pack. So because I have all these packs, if you buy this base pack, all these applications will not be available on this base pack. Now that is a violation, and that is not going to happen. Trust me, DOT is not going to do that. No one is that foolish. Now coming to the point that some people say that, like I explained there, most of the people that have a concern is, what about the startups? So I don't understand what is about the startups. Since okay, let's say I have a e-com startup. There is a Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon, Jabong, right? All these things have cut a deal with my operator, right? When all these people have cut a deal with the operator, so you might get a 50 rupees e-commerce pack. You're getting a 50 rupees e-commerce pack where you can access all these websites as many times in a month, or all these applications as many times in a month, as much as you want. So one of my friends, he's coming up with a e-commerce website, ABCD. Now ABCD I can run on what? On that 250 rupees pack. I can run on to 250 rupees pack. I can run on it. And first of all, you people argue, why will, because these are made free, or these are made zero rating, or these are available as many times, unlimited times for any petty amount like 50 rupees or something of like or that of that sort. So why will I go to that? Yeah, tell me, why will I not go to this if all these I want to buy a bicycle. The lowest amount on all these websites is 25k. In this particular website which my friend is offering, I'm getting the same deal at 20k. So in this I have gotten 1 GB already. So why will I not spend 5 to 10 megabytes of data from this 1 GB and go and have a deal with this? Who is saying that the operator will block this particular website because it has a startup with all these things? This does not make sense. These are all the assumptions that are being made. Okay, if XYZ happens, then something else will be blocked, then something else will be blocked. There is a Ministry of Humor has tied up with something, and I saw that there have been some diagrams that they have posted on on their page, which says that after this law is implemented, what will happen? 150 rupees, you access your email, you access instant messaging, you access Google for 150 rupees. But as soon as you want to access premium websites like Facebook or WhatsApp or maybe YouTube, you pay 350 rupees for these premium websites. So first of all, who made this assumption? Who made this assumption? If an operator is going to come with these packs, these will be petty packs. You understand petty packs? Either they will be very cheap or free of cost. Now, why will they be cheap and free of cost? They will not be this expensive. Are you kidding me? That when there was already a pack that that was cheaper than all this, and they will give you an expensive pack, who will buy this expensive pack? No one will buy. And if you're thinking that they will force down this onto the customers, no one will buy. The end result will be that all the customers will obviously leave that particular operator and go to another operator. Now I'll tell you what exactly is the thing. You people say that why operator is doing all this, why he is coming with other packs, why he's coming with this. At the end of the day, you people were earlier using GPRS. How many people did you like 2G? 2G is GPRS, it's not edge. What you use as edge is 2.5G. When your mobile has a E written, it is an edge. It's not even 2G. It's GPRS. It's the most fucked up thing ever. So the new thing which has come is 3G, right? The upcoming thing is LTE and 4G. How many people were you even satisfied with this 2G at this fucked up thing? So when you say that internet is free, my internet is free. Yes, it is free. Yes, it is free. But it is free means the internet is free. But on the framework, on the backbone, on the infrastructure where you are using that infrastructure, that operator will obviously charge you, right? So okay, fine. So let's do this. Okay, so who is earning the revenue? Now you are saying that operator does not even have the right to earn a revenue. He is not violating any net neutrality law. Okay, now you are paying 250 rupees. In 250 rupees, this is the operator, this is you, this is internet, right? So in 250 rupees, 1 month you are trying to use Facebook, you're trying using X, you're using Y, you're using Z. So you're using all these websites, right? So where is operator earning apart from this 250 rupees? Nowhere, right? So what is wrong? I'm asking you, what is wrong if the operator strikes a deal, let's say Facebook. So what happens? Here is the operator. Facebook gives the operator, let's say 1000 crore rupees per year and says that boss, I want your customers coming to my website more frequently than they are. So this operator will give an option to the users that boss, you you use Facebook 250 rupees and you consume from your 1 GB data, and after you consume that, you pay for it, right? So rather than that, I'm giving an option: pay 10 rupees, access Facebook as much as you want in a month. So don't you see, for the customer, isn't this an advantage? For an operator, isn't this an advantage because he's earning? For FB, isn't this an advantage where earlier only 10 people were going, now people who do not even use internet. Now there might be people who do not use Facebook on their mobile because they only want to use Facebook. They can't because 250 rupees I'll pay per month. Why? Just for to use Facebook? No. Tomorrow, if there is a 10 rupees pack coming, they might be using Facebook. So Facebook, where he was getting only 10 people, in maybe say 1 month or every day hitting on his website, today he will get 50. So he's now earning because there are more hits. more ads inflowing, more advertisements here, more promotional pack in Facebook. So customer is being profited. You're getting exclusive 10 rupees pack because you're a Facebook addict, because you just want to use Facebook. Operator is earning a revenue from here. Facebook is increasing his Facebook is increasing his what do we say, revenue share. How? Because more people are coming onto it. So likewise, you can say about this YouTube, you can say about this Twitter, you can say about this all these websites. So giving all these packs is not a violation of net neutrality. And as Ajay already explained, giving these packs do not stop your startups from popping up, because your startups will be already available in the basic pack that was already available to you. Now, having said all this, let me just rephrase it. Having said all this, operator an operator can block the websites in the 250 rupees pack. An operator can do that. And yes, this is a violation of net neutrality, because once I have paid for this internet and I have struck a deal, so I cannot do that. And yes, things will not be done in that manner, because if someone does this, then first of all, operators will only do this when Department of Telecommunication passes such a law, which it will not do. And this is bloody common sense that it will not do. Nowhere in the world this something of this sort has been struck. There have been things that have happened in USA with what we call DPI. What is DPI? DPI is deep packet inspection. What is deep packet inspection? Suppose this is your operator. Every packet coming from the internet to this, there's a DPI engine. There is a DPI engine. What DPI engine does, that every packet that is coming to the operator, to the user, it verifies. Okay, I got a first packet, I got a second packet, I got a third packet, I got a fourth packet. This packet is for what? This packet is of Facebook, this packet is of WhatsApp, this packet is of YouTube, this packet is of XYZ. So DPI can be used in two things. DPI, if I'm using DPI, then I can use it to block the services, which is a violation. Yes, which is a violation. Suppose I give user a pack. For example, I give a base pack to the user that you can pay as you go, or you can have some recharge of X ABC rupees. I can do a recharge, and on that recharge, I can use everything, but I cannot use Facebook. Why I cannot use Facebook? Because I've given you a pack. And how will that be done? Because there is a concept known as DPI. DPI, every time DPI sees a packet, it will start discarding the packet. So every time Facebook packet, it will be dropped here. Every time there is a Facebook packet, it will be dropped here. Now, this thing in particular is a violation of net neutrality, which will not be done. So that is a thing that will happen. Now, you all people have been making assumptions, that you people all be making assumptions that okay, this will happen, it will do that, it will do that. No, it will not happen. So until this is happening, I think it is a win situation for everyone. For all, it is a win-win situation, and I don't see how anyone is losing anything. Yes, lowering QoS of Skype, but not Viber, is net neutrality violation. Yes, it is a. But will the operators do? Will DOT allow this? No, because as soon as this is done by someone, the others will shift. The customer will shift. If you remember, some people say about the Airtel. What Airtel tried to do? It gave a pack. It gave you 1 GB. So everything was going here. Everything was going through this 1 GB. All the data packets were going through this. Now, as soon as you do a Skype call or Viber, which we call as voice over IP, as you do a VoIP call, so what happens? They, instead of the packet going through this, the packet was directly going, and they were charging you, let's say, 10 paisa per 10 KB. Now, being charged this is a violation. Why this is a violation? Because you have already paid. Because you've already paid. So since you have already paid, this is the same data. So this is the same data. You cannot differentiate because this is a VoIP traffic, voice over IP traffic. It needs to pass through this. So that was a violation. And Airtel was trying to launch this. But if you have read the news, Vodafone, Idea, did not try to follow the suit. They said no, we will not follow. We will give the customer from that 1 GB, and that's why Airtel was forced to drop. So if any operator comes with this particular thing, obviously they're not going to be successful. So this is not going to be there, and DOT is not going to come up with any such law. So that's why I recommend. I really like you people to go through that try document if you like once more, and just have a clear understanding how things actually work out here. I hope this explains things.